Hello everyone, today on Shark and Cook we are making fried lasagna, so let's get started. Add salt to your boiling water. Then you're going to want to add 10 lasagna noodles, following the directions on the back of the box for al dente. I'm putting 2 extra in just in case maybe the noodles might tear or break apart. Give them a slight stir. And let them cook. I'm going to add just a little bit of oil. Normally I don't add oil, I just add the water and salt, but I just want to make sure that the noodles don't stick together. To a large bowl, add 2 cups of ricotta cheese. That's whole milk ricotta cheese. And 3/4 cup of Italian cheese blend. 1 cup of shredded mozzarella. 1 egg. And 1½ teaspoon Italian seasoning blend. Give it a good mix. Okay. Set aside. And now you're going to have to drain your noodles. Lay your noodles down on the sheet pan. You can use a silk pad or parchment paper. And I'll get another sheet. I'm going to put this other noodle on that was torn. I forgot to add my grated Parmesan cheese. So you want a 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese added to this. Now mix it together and set aside. Now we're going to lay down the lasagna noodle and put the filling over the noodle. About 1/4 cup. And then just spread it out. You don't want to get too close to the edge. Just spread it down the center. Then fold it into thirds. Do another one. And fold it into thirds. Now I'm going to continue with the rest and I'll get back. Okay, this is the last one. I had a little bit of filling left, so I used up the 2 last of the extra lasagna noodles that I made. Now you're going to want to take these lasagna noodles and set them on a silk pad or parchment lined sheet, because we're going to stick these in the freezer for an hour. Okay, see you in an hour. To a shallow bowl, add 2 eggs, beat them up, and then to the other bowl add your breadcrumbs. It's panko breadcrumbs, Italian mix, 1 1/4 cup. And then a 1/2 cup of your Italian cheese blend. And then 1/2 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. Give that a good mix. Now you're going to want to take your lasagna noodles and dip them in the egg mixture. Then come over here and dip them into the breadcrumbs, patting down to make sure they adhere. And then set it aside until the oil comes to temperature. And I'm going to finish these up and I'll be back. Now we're going to fry them up. The oil is now heated up to 375, so I'm going to only drop a couple in. Now I'm going to take them and drain them on a paper towel. The last 3. That is good. Nice and cheesy inside and a crispy outside. So if you enjoyed this video, hit the like, and I'll see you at my next video. Bye.